Yo, what's going on, guys? Trade recap. Um, Today I banged this trade. Hit one take profit before getting stopped out at break even. But nevertheless, it's a banger trade. So let me show y'all my thought process and what I did today. And actually, I'm gonna go over the trade I took Friday because I couldn't post a trade recap because I was out of town. So yeah, let's just go over today's trade. I don't know what all this bullshit is. I can't even lie to you. Why is that there? Contract switch. Okay. So yeah, coming in pre-market, we had these hourly highs up here. These hourly highs. Then we had these hourly lows and these 4-hour lows right there. Those are my main draws in liquidity for the day. Same on ES. Scaling into the 5-minute. As you can see, when the market opened, we had a little wick up, sweeping out those high time frame highs. So I was initially looking for shorts. It was actually setting up pretty beautifully. So market opens, we get a sweep of drawing liquidities. We move lower, we break structure to the downside. We get a 5-minute retrace. So I'm at that point. I'm in a 1 minute when the macro opens. Now I was literally about to enter a short, like not about to, but like ready to enter a short if my next confluence was going to get hit. Cause when I scaled into the 1 minute after a liquidity sweep, breaker structure, and a 5-minute retrace, I scaled into the 1 minute and saw a 1 minute fair value gap. And then I saw that we got a reaction out of it. So I thought, okay, babe, we got a reaction out of it, and I'm just waiting for a breaker structure to show that we're actually gonna move lower. We never actually got that. We got big legs up. So I looked at ES and I saw on the 5-minute that we broke structure to the upside. And then I also saw we had a bullish SMT. So that switched my bias completely. So after seeing that ES broke structure to the upside, NASDAQ soon followed. And then, like I said, we had an SMT. NASDAQ was the lagging index. So after breaking structure to the upside on a 5-minute and getting a 5-minute SMT, I scaled into the 1 minute. Saw that we broke structure to the upside. We made an imbalance. We came down. We filled in that imbalance. I low-key wanted price to come and hit this order block, but we didn't end up doing that. We just filled up the fair value gap. So I entered right there, stopped under the fair value gap where it might get inverted to invalidate my trade. My first take profit were these 5-minute. It was this 5-minute order block that ended up getting crushed within like a couple minutes, probably like 5. Second take profit was at these 5-minute highs, or no, it was another 5-minute order block, and then my last take profit was at these 5-minute highs for a 1 to 2.42 risk to reward, but only my first take profit got hit, and I got stopped at break even. I'm satisfied with how I traded today. I stuck to my plan, and the shit paid out. I'm not mad at how I traded because I did everything right that I was supposed to. And as you can see, it worked. So I'm ending the day off on a win, 1-0 on the week. So yeah, let's get into the Friday's trade recap. I don't know why this shit is there. Like, where did that come from, my guy? Let's go to Friday. What? That looks so trippy, bro. Friday. Alright, Friday. Boom, 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 boom. I had these 4-hour lows right here. At these highs. These highs. And these highs. Just trying to remember the trade I took. Alright. So coming into pre-market, we had these lows up here. And these draws I just marked out right here. As you can see, market open, we broke structure to the upside. Looks like we're heading towards these highs. Boom, swept out 2 hourly draws in liquidity. We came down. Was this a break? Yeah, we got a break of structure to the downside on the 5 minute. We also got this 5 minute fair value gap to get filled. It's beautiful. I'm in on the 1 minute. After seeing that fair value gap get filled, let's go into the 1 minute. Saw this 1 minute candle reacting to this fair value gap. So boom, shorted right there. Did I put my stops up here? Where was my one take profit got hit? I don't remember. Maybe I should have took a screenshot of the trade I took, bro. What was it? I think, okay, I put my first, no, this was like, it was above, like it was like right here. Yeah, so my first take profit was at this kind of low. It wasn't all the way down there because I thought that was way too far to be my first take profit. So I marked my first take profit out with this low, this wick of a low. My second take profit was actually at the real low, but as you can see, they did not end up getting hit. Price came down, hit my first take profit, and stopped me out at break even. Let me show you the confluences for this trade. I had to refresh my memory on what I did. So yeah, like I said, we came up, market open, we broke structure to the upside, sweeping out 2 high time frame draws on liquidity. After sweeping out high time frame draws on liquidity, the macro opened, and then we immediately broke structure to the downside, showing that we want to move lower. So my bias was bearish. Now after breaking structure to the downside, now after sweeping out liquidity, breaking structure to the downside on the 5 minute, the 5 minute also made a fair value gap. So we came up, tapped into the fair value gap. I'm scaling into the 1 minute. Caught my entry with this 1 minute bearish rejection candle. Boom, stops above the fair value gap in that 1 minute high. First take profit was right here for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Second take profit was at the news low because I believe this was news. The whole trade would have been 1 to 2.242 risk to reward. I think it was the same as the trade I just took today. Yeah, I think it was 1 to 2.242. But yeah, and that's both trade recaps. This was the one from Friday, and obviously I just went over the one I took from today, this morning. Yeah, that's gonna do it for it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.